This week I have this 2022 Ford Expedition Limited in for a full detail and ceramic coating. The owner of this vehicle picked it up back in December, but we couldn't find a time that worked with his schedule or mine to squeeze it in over the winter, so we decided to push it until mid-spring when most of the winter salt had been washed off the roads. So we have it in this weekend at the beginning of May, so I'm going to be focusing on getting the interior cleaned up tonight and then working on the decontamination on the outside. So that'll be a rinseless wash, getting the tires and wheels cleaned up, and doing a synthetic clay and iron remover to get the paint cleaned up. Tomorrow I'm going to work on polishing the paint and getting that dialed in, and then over the weekend I'll apply the graphene coating and let that cure so that way the customer can pick it up on Sunday. So I'm just about done with the interior on this. I'm going to call it after this. I'm not going to do the outside tonight like I had originally planned. So I have all the interior panels wiped down. I wiped down the seats, shampooed the carpets. And now I'm going to go through and apply interior clean and protect to all the interior panels, and then do interior ceramic by DIY on all the seats to give them a ceramic coating. And then I've got the interior windows that I'm going to wipe down. This is going to be getting a glass transparency windshield coating as part of the package. So I'll need to polish the windshield. So far tonight, the interior is just about done. I do have the floor mats I'm going to do, but I'm waiting for some new products to arrive tomorrow. And once I have those, then I'll be able to hit those and clean them up properly. So I'm going to finish up the interior and then we'll call it for tonight. So in last night's segment, I cleaned up the interior. I used rinseless wash to wipe down all the interior components. The rinseless works very well at breaking down any body oils and grime that might be on all the paint. And then I followed up with Interior Clean and Protect to give it that layer of protection beyond just the rinseless wash. I was using P&S Interior or Express Interior. That was my interior cleaner before, but it doesn't really provide a layer of protection that Interior Clean and Protect does. So that's why I've switched over to using that.